say, you know, you're wandering around, they're like building these buildings, so there's a construction sites. And then I noticed that when you go on some construction sites, there usually is some kind of rainbow flag presence. Just like that. Just fine. Really. This happens to be here in York, but I see them all over the city. All kinds of places and construction sites. And I don't know if it's the company, most likely, just messaging that in this space, or maybe individual. I can't imagine it's been individuals. But you know, never know. It's a beautiful thing. What? And it's the more progressive one too. This is here in Yorkville, where they've just torn up this whole block and turned it into high-rise condos. And here's that hotel. I don't know which one. And then here I am at the so may I tell you,